Guangdong Jinya Motorcycle Technology Company Limited, founded in August 2020, is an innovative company specializing in the design, R&D, manufacturing of high-end medium motorcycles and heavy cruisers, engines and core components. The company had obtained the National First-Class Motorcycle Production Qualification by cooperating with the Jianche Motorcycle Group, a state-owned enterprise. We has a national-level R&D center with more than 30 experienced technical engineers. By October 2022, the company's turnover has exceeded 370 million RMB. We have two brands, Hanyang and Xiangshuai, in large and medium motorcycle, covering 3 series and 15 models. Up to present, we have obtained more than 24 patents. Since the company established, we put the quality on the first as our basic principle and have acquired ISO 9001, 3C, CQC certificate, and high-tech company reward. In 2020, our product sales volume had reached number 1 in heavy cruiser market in China. At present, our sales network have covered 31 provinces and autonomous regions, exported to more than 40 countries. With the continuous improvement of people's living standards and consumption upgrading, the motorcycle market has also developed towards high-end, larger displacement, more leisure and personality, but extreme high cost and maintenance of imported cruiser bikes make consumers unaffordable. Thus, Jinya Technology developed a number of core patent technologies, such as mobile phone interconnection, waterproof, multifunctional display instrument, TCS traction control system, suspension system, etc., and successfully realized the design, research and development, and manufacturing of high-end and medium motorcycles.
香帅重型巡航以产品为核心，以特色机车文化为驱动力，以俱乐部为载体的立体滚动发展。通过建立线上宣传推广平台与线下的这个机车文化体验 4S 店，将国潮机车文化的推广渗透带动整车。
江北市是我国重要的摩托车生产基地，建亚摩托创新研发生产的香帅重型巡航大排量摩托车，将有效开发大排量摩托车市场，吸引更多优质企业进驻江北。
Now, Jinya Technology is building a highly intelligent motorcycle manufacturing factory, which will gradually establish and strengthen our innovation capability of 5 new economy, new technology, new materials, new energy, new services, and 3 high technology, high growth, high value added, providing a stable guarantee for glorious future of the enterprises.